Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Hochschule Bremen International Graduate Center as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar, you must type in HSB account activate. That is HSB account activate. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Scroll down and then tap on the second link. You may have to accept all cookies and then head over to the link given to you. After this, you must enter your number and your private email address and then hit next and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your account. After you've activated your account, head to the search bar one more time and then type in HSB login. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard and then tap on the first link on campus HSB and then tap on HSB Connect. Here you must enter your email along with your password that you just activated and then hit login to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.